Hey guys, how you doing? It's Hdmi here, and today we're going to be unboxing the LG Ultra Gear 27GN950 gaming monitor. I've been looking at reviews of monitors for the past 2 or 3 months because I want to upgrade my monitor because the new gaming consoles are coming out, PlayStation 5, Xbox Series X, and they're going to be 4K compatible, playing games at 4K or at least targeting it. So I want to upgrade my computer as well, which is in the other room, you can't see it right now. I want to upgrade that, and if my consoles are going to be 4K, I want my computer to be 4K as well. Makes sense, right? Because people say PC master race, so if the PC can't play 4K but the consoles can, even if it is better optimized, then they're not the master race, are they? So we're going to be getting this, and hopefully we're going to be getting the new Nvidia graphics card to match the monitor. So let's get into the unboxing. I don't know how the hell to open this, and I don't want to damage the box, so I'm going to try opening it as best as I can. My camera girl is going to be moving around everywhere and trying to get the best quality video for you guys. So I'm going to open it nice and slow, so be patient, because I do not want to damage the box, because if the monitor has dead pixels, which these IPS monitors are very frequently having dead pixels, or too much IPS glow, or the fucking horrible backlight bleed, we're going to have to return it and get ourselves another one, which I don't want to go through because I have to ship it back. But you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. So let's get right into it. And that's that one done. This one done. This one done. And now we're going to be putting it flat, like so. And we're going to, I'm assuming, it says open here. Here we go, open here. So we're going to be ripping this puppy open. Nice and gently. I've got some sticky tape somewhere else, so we can take that away. And now let's get into the unboxing. We have to, before we do, we have to give it a sniff test. Smells like brand new, just the way we like it, guys. We like sniffing our new equipment, don't we? Because we're weirdos. Alright, here we go. This is the LG Ultra Gear accessory box, gaming monitor. They have to emphasize it. It's a gaming monitor. It has RGB lightings, woo! Open here. It comes with all the cables and stuff like that. You guys know what it is. HDMI, DisplayPort cables, power brick, whatever. We know what it is. We don't need any of this stuff until later when we're plugging it in. So we'll put that to the side. What up, homie? This is the... Oh, we know what this is. This is the boomerang. Oh shit. We have to open this very carefully, guys, because I do not want to rip any of this. Here, look at this. It's Nvidia G-Sync. Don't let it trick you. It doesn't have a G-Sync module inside, so it's not technically the real thing. It's G-Sync compatible. It uses the variable refresh rate and anti-aliasing, vertical sync, or whatever it's called, to match the computer with the graphics card, and that way it will provide you more smoother gameplay and tear-free experience. I have, my old monitor is 1440p and 144 Hz with a G-Sync module inside. There's no tearing whatsoever. Not even a small thing like a stutter. And trust me, when I talk, I stutter. So this is gonna be the stand. Look at the way the package is seen. Like it ain't ever gonna be open. What the fuck? Look at this. And this is the real unboxing. This is like, so most of the videos online, let's have the camera go. Most of the videos that are doing an unboxing for this monitor online are all either in Korean, or they're all in Indian language, or in some other otherworldly language that, you know, people are really interested in and have to watch with subtitles. So this is one of the reviews that are going to be, not reviews, unboxings that are going to be in English. So I'm going to be explaining each part to you and what the monitor does and what the benefits of it are. Because I've been reading reviews on this monitor for a long time, way before it was out. And all the other monitors, like the Acer with the full array dimming, and the Asus one, they have a built-in fan into them. So those monitors, this is what stand looks like, by the way, just a normal stand, nothing special. Look how fucking big it is though. And those monitors with the full array dimming, they have halos, and they also have a fan inside, and that fan is to keep the monitor cool because it's 4K 144 Hz G-Sync module, not compatible, module built in, and it runs extra hot, and this fan is loud. Just like an aircon fan or a fan in the room. Point up to the fan in the room. Just like that thing right there. And we don't want none of that. Do you guys want that? I mean, we want it when we don't when it's hot, but we don't want it in our room, right beside our ear. Alright. Man, this is a big box. My girlfriend could literally go inside this and sleep inside. That's how small she is. Alright. This is the monitor, guys. Come here. Here we go. You want to be as gentle as possible. As gentle as possible, I say. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh, it's heavy. Oh, no way. So, guys, I can tell you right now, I'm lifting it up with both of my hands. It is heavy compared to a normal 1440p 144 Hz monitor. It is heavy as hell. If you got a monitor arm, make sure it has 2 arms. My one is only a 1 monitor arm. If I put this on the monitor arm in my room, the arm is going to snap. Easy. Because the monitor arm that I'm using right now, it's a 1 arm and it's full metal, so it's strong, and it's holding the monitor right now and it's like bent like a banana. So we don't want none of that. So nice and slow. Nice and slow. Slow and steady wins the race, guys. Slow and steady wins the race. Opa. Okay. Actually, we're gonna have to cut the video here because I have a little space. So we're gonna cut the video here. She's gonna pause it, and then we'll be back with everything cleared on the table, and I can talk about the monitor more. Alright, guys. We've mounted the monitor onto the stand, which is fairly easy. It has 2 screws on the bottom that are already placed inside, and they have this little fucking handle that you screw into the base. So this big thing, camera woman, come over here. This big thing underneath here is 2 screws. I can show you right now if you really want me to. There you go, look at it from the bottom. 2 screws right there. Screw it in, and then we'll turn it around from the back. So this thing has some major grip on its feet. It's not going to move anyway. From the back, you just plug it in. I don't want to take it off right now, but you just push it in and that's it. No screws, no nothing. And if you need the screws for the base mount, they're already underneath this plastic inside. It's really easy. I mean, a 5-year-old child could do it if you give it to him. This behind here, come here, this white strip right here is an LED light, RGB. You can adjust the color to whatever you want, and it's going to be facing at the wall at the back, making really ambient. And it can also be connected to whatever game you're playing. So let's say you're playing a racing game and there's red traffic lights. It's going to be changing to the red traffic light. Or you're playing a shooting game like Halo and there's a lot of lasers flying around. It's going to be changing the lights to the atmosphere that's happening in the game. Pretty cool, right? And obviously it comes with HDMI, this is DisplayPort 1.4. So, and it has DSC. So DSC is only compatible with an NVIDIA cards 2000 series and up. I have a 1080 Ti, but I'm going to upgrade that soon, so it doesn't really matter. These are USBs. This, I don't know what the hell this is, guys. And it has 2 HDMI ports, audio jack, and the power cable. So these ports, these HDMI, are not 2.1. So if you're getting the new Xbox or the new PlayStation 5 and you want to play 4K with the 120 refresh hertz, this monitor is not for you. Do not get this monitor. Get something else that may be coming out in the future, but this monitor is not for you. I bought this specifically for PC gaming. I do not play my consoles on a monitor because why would you? They look much better on TV, and yeah, gaming on the TV, especially in an OLED or the new Samsung TVs, is like watching a movie. It's the best quality that you can get. If you want a monitor to play your single player adventure games that are story driven, like God of War or Ghost of Tsushima. I'm a PlayStation fan, I'm going to name those. Or Zelda from the Nintendo Switch. Do not get this monitor, play it on a fucking TV and enjoy the best quality you can get with deep blacks, because this IPS screen only has a 1000 to 1 contrast ratio, and OLED TVs have infinity to 1 contrast ratio, because each pixel on the OLED TV is lit by itself and it can turn on and turn off, so that gives you the full on deep black. It's like you're in the cave in the middle of nowhere and you can't see anything. That's how deep the blacks are. So I recommend for that, just get an OLED TV, save the money, because this is expensive enough as it is on its own. It's nearly the same as a TV there. Get a second-hand TV, and some of the newer OLED models, like the 9 series, like the B9, the C9, they have HDMI 2.1. So if you get the new console, you're going to be sweet. You're going to get G-Sync, you're going to get FreeSync, you're going to get refresh rates, you're going to get 120 Hertz, you're going to get 4K, you're going to get all the good stuff that you want in that TV. So if you want a good monitor for PC gaming, then this bad boy right here is the best monitor that you can get. I didn't even turn it on yet, but that's how many videos I've watched, that's how many comparisons that I've seen of this monitor compared to any other ones, and it is the best you can get, hand down. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video slash first impression slash mini review. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Comment whatever you want to see in the future, and yeah, catch you guys later. Peace.